Hello everyone, welcome to Upcoming IAs. So today we'll be starting with Unit 4 of this 7th class polity book. So the second page tells about media and advertising. So this unit explores the impact of media and advertising on young people's lives. It focuses on the links between media, technology and big business and how media influences our perception of important issues. It also explores the importance of brand and uniqueness in advertising and how these factors influence consumer self-image. The unit also links these issues to democracy and the influence of mainstream media on local resources. So this page basically gave us an overview of what this chapter is all about. So let's move on to our chapter straight. So this is chapter 6th, that is understanding media. So this page explains and the summary of this page will be: this chapter explores the concept of media including TV, radio, newspapers and the internet and its impact on our daily lives and what we can learn from it. Here in the right side of the figure you can see an artist impression of Gutenberg printing the first sheet of Bible. Media and this page talks about media and technology. So what is the gist of this page? Media encompasses various forms of communication including phone calls, TV, radio and newspapers. Mass media, including cable television and the internet, reaches millions of people across the country and the world. Technology continues to change, improving the quality of sound and images and changing our perception of our lives. If you want, you can pause the video and take a look at the picture that are there given the right or left side of this pages. So this page tells us about media and money. So television has brought the world closer to us through satellites and cables, allowing us to view news and entertainment channels from other parts of the world. However, the expensive technologies used by mass media such as TV studios and transmission satellites require significant financial investment. Mass media earns money through advertising such as cars, chocolates, clothes and mobile phones. You can see here given a backdrop of a print media, not a print media but we can say of mass media. Okay, so media and democracy. So these are the small snippets of a newspaper, as you can see. So in a democracy, media plays a crucial role in providing news and discussing events, enabling citizens to learn about government operations and take action through letters, protests, signature campaigns and government rethinking. Balancing media reports is essential as it helps citizens understand and respond to the news. The News of India and the India Daily both portray protesters as nuances. While the India Daily highlights the need for adequate relocation efforts to save livelihoods, both stories lack a balanced report which discusses all perspectives and leaves readers to decide. A balanced report depends on media independence, which ensures no one controls news coverage and does not dictate what should be included. However, media is far from independent due to government control known as censorship, which prevents certain content from being shared with the public. The emergency between 1975 to 1977 was the worst of these periods. Sorry. Yes. So what has been mentioned here? Censorship and a small article within orange color snippet, right? Here you can see family members are watching TV. So TV plays a significant role in shaping our impressions of the world, shaping our beliefs, attitudes and values. It features various programs such as soap operas, game shows, reality shows, news, sports and cartoons, with advertisements between and after each program. It is important to consider the content and the lives of the rich and poor. While enjoying TV, it is crucial to be aware of the world beyond our screens, recognizing that there is much happening beyond celebrities and rich lifestyles. The government does not censure the media's coverage of news, but most newspapers still fail to provide balanced stories due to business houses controlling the media and their links to advertising. The media also focuses on specific aspects of a story to make it interesting and increase public support for an issue. The media sets the agenda by influencing our thoughts, feelings, and actions, making it sets the agenda. For example, the media recently highlighted alarming levels of pesticides in cold drinks, making people aware of the need to monitor these cold drinks according to international quality and safety standards. Here you can see Down to Earth magazine's front page and setting agendas. The media helps highlighting important issues like unsafe Coca-Cola cold drinks, or we can say soft drinks, but often overlooks critical problems like drinking water shortages. In the right side you can see a fashion show being covered by the media, and inside the orange snippet there's local media. So let's see what all these things is about. So local groups have started their own media since the mainstream media ignores small issues in daily life. They use community radio to share crop prices and farming advice. Documentary films are made to highlight real life conditions, sometimes by community members. Khabar Lahariya is a newspaper run by Dalit women reporting on local issues in Bundeli. Bundeli is a language, okay, mother tongue. So here our chapter comes to an end. So what this page tells us is the media sets the agenda, sometimes facing censorship, and often provides incomplete reports. But yes, media do help us, becoming aware of what is happening around us. Although sometimes it gives unbalanced report, or sometimes it shows some vague issues which are not at all important, but there exist some real issues in our surrounding which needs to be focused on more than the other issues. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for the complete NCRT 7th class polity series. Thank you so much, and do share your reviews in the comment section, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel.